playthrough this time.
Put over here, Michelle, so I can get...
Scooby, that open don't work.
Scooby! Scooby! Hey, Scooby!
Like I ate it. Where'd it go?
Have you ever heard a dog playing in fetch with the laser? Where'd he go? Cat and the dog's playing with it. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's behind me. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Like I'm gonna get it. Don't worry. I want to get one. I want to get the laser. Eugene's like, yeah, I finally got it this time. To myself.
There goes good.
Eugene's like, hey, my laser, not yours. Jeez, Scooby, go over and take a little laser.
I guess so.
Trying to catch that little red dot.
I know he is.
Little red dot, Scooby. Little red dot. Why are there two dots? One dot. Oh, the other one's white.
Yeah.
I bought this at Dollar Tree. I thought it was cute to bring it home for the animals. So I didn't think Scooby you were going to play with it.
I didn't know either, but this is funny. I never seen a dog do this. Have you?
I seen a dog chase one of the lasers over the bigger one.
Yeah.
The bigger ones now.
Oh wow.
I have one that was like designs on them.
Oh wow.
Comes like different shapes.